Tio, he is here and he may need bond condition.
Wow, he made a surety bond on all those cases. Come up, Mr. Portillo. I'm ready to set these for trial. It's 250 days. He's got 5 open cases and they're very serious. What conditions, do you know what the felony court?
I have it pulled up.
Okay, Felicia, this is Mr. Portillo.
Yes, Judge. Let me pull them up.
What felony conditions do we have, please? Bless you.
Can't go within 200 feet of the 7015 Foray Road, no contact with Jose Cantu and Teresa Portillo Cantu. Drug and alcohol testing, travel restricted to remain in Harris County and contiguous counties, no firearms. No.
Do you have a leg monitor on right now?
No, sir.
I'm putting one on you now, and I'm giving you a curfew.
And there it is, the judge's breaking point. When a judge says your words go in one ear and out the other, that's courtroom code for I've given you every chance, and now the consequences are coming. Hot take for the audience. Do you think repeat offenders should get stricter bonds or more rehabilitation options? Drop your thoughts. This case is heating up fast.
I don't want you out in the middle of the night. I don't want you to have any weapons, and I'm gonna have you sign an affidavit with me today, promising me you're not gonna have any weapons. You have with us a disorderly conduct, a discharging a firearm. You have 2 felony assaults, a burglary of habitation, and now you picked up a failure to ID as a fugitive from justice. Your cases are 250 days old, and it's now time to set these for trial. Do you have an offer on these cases?
Oh, look, Your Honor. So
There's not.
there's not, Your Honor.
Counsel, what
I need you to put one on
conditions-
today. It's 250 days.
Counsel, what
Yes,
bond
Judge.
conditions were you referring to? I don't see if there are any bond conditions.
Whew, that was intense. Judges don't usually flat out say someone scares them unless their patience has reached the absolute limit. This moment right here, it's the kind that makes people rewatch court clips. Question for the viewers, was the judge too strict or just protecting the public? Let me know below.
And are you looking at the motion for bond conditions or the file bond conditions? Because I currently don't see anything.
It's 1875107.
Okay.
Order for pretrial.
Absolutely. Okay. Judge, so you would like to match and add a GPS today?
Yeah, and I want to put a curfew,
Yes, Judge.
7 p.m. to 7 a.m.
Saving the public.
Your Honor, he is working in construction from 7 to 5, so
I'm ready to put these babies to bed. I'm not dealing, I mean, it's just way too much drama for me. Mr. Portillo, we have way too many, so I'd like you to put an offer today.
Yes, Judge.
I want you to speak with your lawyer to see if that's something that you guys, if not, I'm setting your cases for trial today. Do you understand?
This judge is laying down boundaries like concrete, and honestly, this level of caution makes sense in domestic-related cases. Viewers, quick poll. Should protective orders be lifted if both parties agree, or should the court keep them in place until every risk is gone? Let me know. This debate is always heated.
Take a seat for me, sir.
Judge, would you like to remain in Harris County as well? Yeah.
I have quite a bit of history with Mr. Portillo, not only with the 5 open cases, with other priors that we have had with him. And so let's see, can you put an offer on the cases? Let's see what you guys want to do, and then come back and just let me know.
Okay.
Please.
Armstrong?
And I just got discovery today on the new one, so
250 days.
Well, the
you
new one
just got
is, the new one
discovered.
is from December. I mean, there's everybody else.
Okay, I'll give you one reset.
Okay.
I didn't realize that the case is from December. I was looking at the first one where it's from 2023. So
I was appointed December 19th, so I mean, this is really,
okay, I'll give you a setting.
okay.
It's just way too much drama for me, and just too much. And it's time for,
he does have,
I think felony on March 12th. So could I do it maybe after that to see, you know, and then if it's done
At that
resolved.
setting, when we come back, I mean, is discovery complete on the failure to ID?
On the fellow ID, let me see, Your Honor.
I mean, I just talked about it.
Yes, Judge, discovery is complete on the fellow ID.
Okay.
It looks like there's just 2 videos that need to be shared to you, and we can share those right now.
I mean, are these it?
Because there's also these 2 that just popped up.
Okay,
So, yeah,
okay.
we'll make sure those are shared too.
Mr. Portillo, come up. This is an affidavit that you're going to swear to me today that you're not going to have any possession of any weapons whatsoever for any reasons. If I find that you have a weapon, I can have a contempt hearing, and every time it's punishable by up to 6 months of jail and a $500 fine. Do you understand? I will do everything in my power to protect my county at all costs. Do you understand? I'm giving you 30 days. It is your responsibility between now and then to meet with Mr. Elect. When you come back, you must either accept the plea bargain agreement or your case will immediately be set for trial. Do you understand? Come on. Okay, you got it.
I have Mr. Jose Borrego here. We are, he has an assault family member.
Shh. Is this Mr. Borrego?
Yes, correct. And we're asking the court to change or lift the protective order. This is an alleged incident that happened in August of last year. Since then, he and the complaining witness have been co-parenting. She is here right now. It has been very difficult to co-parent because of this protective order in place that they're trying to abide by. He's having to get hotel rooms so that he can have a place to stay. It's difficult with work. Also, she needs help with the child, and this protective order just has been difficult.
If there's a protective order and they're not supposed to be together and they're here together, that's not a good.
They did not come together.
So I don't know anything about your cases. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. All I know is that you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We will do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Yes, Judge. The complainant and the defendant are dating, and on August 23rd, 2024, the officer was dispatched to a family assault, and the complainant stated a verbal altercation began while she was in the car. The complainant exited the vehicle with her child, ran towards the home, and the defendant ran after her. The defendant took the baby and put the baby in the car. The defendant then grabbed the complainant's phone and smashed it to the ground. The complainant stated they got back in the car, and the defendant stated he was trying to drive into a box truck to kill them. The complainant grabbed the wheel to stop the defendant, and he bit her left forearm. The defendant began punching her in the face with a closed fist approximately 2 to 3 times. The defendant then stopped at the gas station, dropped the complainant and the child off, and left. The officer observed the complainant had visible injuries to her left forearm consistent with a bite mark, scratches to her face, and bruising on the left portion of her upper right arm.
Guys, I guess, do you want to go do the rip?
Your Honor, we could reach out to our DVD prosecutor.
CW's here.
Yes, Judge, it's also.
That was-
Yes, Judge. So we would need to reach out to the DVD prosecutor to allow him to perform the rip.
Okay, let's do this. The first thing, I want to know what she says, you know,
Okay,
on her wishes.
of course,
I don't
Judge.
know what her feelings are.
I spoke with her, Judge, and she is in the position she does not want to go forward with the charges. She wants Mr. Borrego to be in her child's life. Because of this protective order, it's been extremely difficult to co-parent. I spoke with her. I will let the prosecutor speak with her alone.
Is that his biological child?
Correct, yes.
Okay. Mr. Borrego, take a seat for me in the jury box while we get everything done. And then let me wait for the DVD to get here and then we'll get the rip done and then we'll talk.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You got the rip?
Yes.
Thanks.
So, I understand that there's some issues in terms of child custody and all that. So what I'm willing to do is agree to no threatening or harassing, but keep the residency restriction because they don't live together. And I don't see a reason to allow him to be back at that residence.
He's currently going to hotels and motels so that he can abide by this protective order. It's been a financial strain on him. He's working, hours have been a little short, so it's just becoming increasingly difficult for him to continue to stay out of the residence, away from his child. So I'm asking that the resident,
My concern is the protection of the
Understood.
complaining witness, you know,
No, Judge,
and
and I will say, I understand that, but given his prior assaultive history, the fact that there's an OR that, you know, allegedly involves another assault after this date, I can't agree to a
I
residency
don't, what are
restriction.
you talking about?
He has 2 TDC trips for ag assaults.
Okay,
Um,
you're saying there's an assault after this assault?
So I have a note that there was some sort of assault involving the same complainant from October. I'm working on getting the offense report to verify
You know
what
about
that
I'm
is.
not aware of that, Judge.
So I,
Come up, Mr. Borrego. Come up. I'm not gonna allow a contact if there's a prior assault that you're alleging as well now.
Yes, sir.
95% of the people who are in jail now are there because they have no self-control. They get upset, they wig out, and they do whatever the hell they want to do without thinking, if I do this, what's going to happen? If I say this, what's going to happen? The idea that we have these orders in place are so that nothing else happens. The last thing we want is more mayhem and bloodshed on our streets. I mean, every single day we have someone dying on our streets because of no self-control. They're alleging that there's a prior assault with the same complaining witness. I get it. I know that you say no. I get everybody. What do you think? If I had one strand of hair for every person that said that, I'd have a beautiful head of hair. But I'm here to protect every person in this county at all costs. And they're saying you have this assault now. They're alleging so I don't want any contact. I will let you talk to your lawyer. You guys can hash this out. So hold on. I don't want you to talk here. You guys go out there, take your time. There's no rush. We have a lot of time to work things out. But if I have you charged with assault and they're saying that there's a prior one, it's just not going to happen. I get it. You guys talk, but I don't want you to have contact with this person. Don't. If I find that there's a protective order in place, you have to understand that an assault, you pick up a VPO, a violation of protective order, it's one of the worst cases. We can have a hearing to hold you at no bond when you violate condition on these types of cases. You guys go talk, see what you can do about explaining, but all right, please.
So Judge, as of right now, the state wants to do, we're doing no contact. We're gonna leave the protective order as is. Okay,
I mean, it's
okay. Thank you, Judge.
all right.
Okay.